You are welcome to Remit Trade Academy. My name is Paradise and I'll bring you this cryptocurrency video. In today's video, I'm going to take a look at this very area where the market is on the 1-day chart and also 4-hour chart and 4-hour chart here on ETH. Remember, today is the FOMC statement, that is the federal fund rate, and this is going to impact in the market greatly. I'm going to talk about this in this video, so watch the video till the end. If you are new to this channel, please help subscribe to the channel, hit that like button, and don't forget to turn on the bell notification for more updates like this every single day. Also, check the channel for all that educational content. Leave a like and share this video on the 1-day chart right here. You see, I was talking about market coming down from this area in my last video, although for a long time ago. And if you look at here, market did come down, and right at this point, what I am expecting technically right now, without this federal fund rate today, technically what I'm expecting is the market to come back down a little bit. I'm expecting a retracement within this area. Let me make it very clearly. I'm expecting retracement from here to the upside, okay, for market to move to the upside in form of a retracement, because if this creates a new low, lower than the previous low at this area, then that means we can call this an impulsive move, then retracement before continuation to the downside. So what should happen here is a retracement of this very move to the downside. So at this very area between this place where the market is and this level of 18k, okay, we should see the market retrace to the upside on the 1-day chart. On the 4-hour chart here, I am expecting market to still come back down to this very level of 18,100. Okay, so this market should come back down into this area, and then from this very level we should see the market bounce back up, and this bounce up here is going to be significant on the 4-hour chart compared to the 1-day chart. So on the 4-hour chart right here, I am expecting the market to come back down from where the market is right now, slight move to the downside into this area of 18,300 and 18,100 level. At this very point will make the market to move to the upside. And on the 4-hour chart ETH, the same thing. I am expecting market to come back down into this level. So within this very area of $1,266 at this very point to this very area of $1,217, within this very area, I am expecting the market to also bounce to the upside, and this will be a significant bounce, because on the 1-day chart, the ETH USDT chart is already at over sold condition on the stochastic. So market coming back into this area will give us a potential, good buy for market to move to the upside. And one thing very important you have to also look at in this very case is that the market has been moving, to the downside. You see market move all the way from here, move down, then correction, and market has moved again. So if market move to this very area, we are going to see a nice correction, just like we see in this very area. So markets will have capacity of moving, correct, and then they move again from here. You have a nice correction again. Okay, so this is what I am personally expecting technically on the ETH USDT 4-hour chart at this very area, and also on the 4-hour chart BTC. Now we have the federal fund rate today, okay, and the forecast is 3.25. That means the analysts, they are expecting the Fed to hike interest rate. Now one thing very important I'm going to talk about is that if you look at the 1-day chart, if you look at it very well, you discover that market has already priced in prior to this very release. That means even though we have a hike, and markets will possibly jump down and move to the upside. So what I am expecting personally, either we have a hike or the Fed decide to leave rate unchanged. I'm expecting the market to spike a little bit to the downside, and after 24 to 48 hours we should see the market begin to move to the upside. But specifically what I am expecting is the market to move to the upside, okay, after 24 to 48 hours, but expect the market to spike a little bit to the downside before that very move will happen, because this is going to impact on the market greatly. So that is what I am expecting on the 4-hour chart and also on the 4-hour chart on ETH. What do you think about the Fed rate today? Comment below in the comment section. Let me hear what you are thinking about the market and your sentiments. If you are new to this channel, please help subscribe to the channel, hit that like button, and don't forget to turn on the bell notification for more updates like this every single day. Also check the channel for other educational content. Leave a like and share this video. If you've not enrolled for the Remit Trade Intensive Cryptocurrency course and mentorship program, check the contact in the description of this video and get trained immediately. Thank you very much for watching today's video, and I will see you in the next video.